Chicken on the menu next in a Best Bites meal from the Saturday Kitchen, followed by the Great British Bake Off, an extra slice on BBC One. There's never been a Bake Off week quite like it. An extra slice of baked Alaska, Bingate to come with Joe Brand at 11:30 on BBC One. That's after James Martin and Mo.
Yo, so I'm Dalek Designation Sid, and I'm what the young people would call a radical liberal. It's not that I hate Daleks, no, I love Daleks, but honestly, if I could let other species have a taste of the power that we have, I would, I just want everyone to be equal. How embarrassing, exterminate all humans. Now that's the exact type of racial prejudice that we at the Reformed DP are trying to change.
Yeah, Sid's a bit of a dick. Some of his policies are alright, I guess. I've heard worse.
Do you agree with the whole no extermination of other species?
It's a big change, but it's that kind of thinking that the Parliament needs, some radical outside the box type stuff,
Absolutely appalling. You can't just let these villainous races just roam free. No way, I won't allow it. It spits in the face of all our morals and our race. If we allow these criminals to just walk across the border unregulated, if you allow my wording here, I think the Dalek Sid is in bed with these post-box slit-looking Sartarans. All I'm saying...
Is that okay to say?
You saying I'm racist? No. I love all of those things. You are all right in my eyes, honestly. See the political correctness, Dalek.
Dalek Nova spoke on the topic for several minutes before landing on.
Look here. If saying that it smells like shit, then it's a Zygon. If saying that makes me racist, then I guess I'm racist. Shoot me.
So, I actually got in contact with some of my friends over the lake in Somerville. They said they have a massive dental care plan, and if there's something we could do to help, then they'd be more than interested in joining some kind of legion. I said I preferred the word alliance, but hey-ho, not my problem. He's more than capable of forming his own words. It's absolutely...
Rancid. It's fucked. It's mega fucked. Super fucked. Cybermen don't even have teeth.
You're absolutely right, sir.
It's got to be one of their foreign plans to deceive us, to get under our skin. And once we have our backs and our fucking asses out, bang, they rape us. And not just us, but the Ogrons too.
Don't forget the Dalek puppet slaves.
Ah, the bloody puppet slaves. Who's going to look after them after the Cybermen are bum-fucking us? Not fucking Sid, I'll tell you that for free.
Won't lie, Sid. The Cyberman Teeth plan is a bit of a hard sell.
Why would you say that right now? Why would you say that right now? I have to present this in an hour.
Yeah, I thought it was a joke. Thought you were taking the piss.
Trev, I need you here. Why does the cyber teeth plan thing seem like a tough sell?
You want me to lay it out?
Yes, hit me with it.
Mostly because Cybermen don't have teeth.
Ah, shit.
That's not all. I've got a whole booklet.
You have a fucking booklet?
Yeah, about 150 pages.
On what?
On why the Cyberman teeth thing is bad.
Trev, just tell me next time. It's okay. You can do this. It's not that bad, right? Right?
Nah, it's pretty shit.
Give me the fucking booklet. What else could it possibly be? Reason 1. Cybermen don't have teeth. Well, duh. That's an obvious one. What's next? Reason 2. Cybermen don't feel pain. Therefore, if their teeth hurt, they wouldn't care. But as we've previously established, Cybermen don't have fucking teeth.
Yeah, it kind of goes on like that for a while.
Like what?
About the teeth thing.
Fuck. I know about the teeth thing, Trev. I was being rhetorical! Just fuck off. I'm off to my office. Don't enter. And if you do, give me a little push, because I'll be swinging.
I am hip. Yeah, you know I some of the time have the green grass sometimes, you know what I mean? Yo, Dax, tell them about what we do sometimes around the office. You will love this, it's so good. Tell them.
You sure?
Yeah, of course. What goes on in the office is royalty free as long as I'm concerned.
Right, well, sometimes when Susan has her massive hysterical protrusions...
Dax, yeah, not that. It was at the phone. Sorry, I have to take this, Dax. You stay the fuck there? Yep. And, talk in a bit? Yeah, cool.
I just gotta go to the fucking room in 10 minutes and convince a room full of Daleks why we should support a Cyberman who's setting up a fucking dental plan! It's fucked! It's fucked!
I'm sure it's not, sir.
No, it is! No, worse! Worse! It got pregnant, and the children grew up, and one of them was this super creative, super successful person, and the other one was a Cyberman dental plan! My life is ruined. No, it's not. Hold on. I've got it. I'll just kill myself. I'll just kill myself.
Show in 5 minutes. Let's get ready.
It was good while it lasted, wasn't it, Trev?
What was?
All this. The party is coming to an end.
That's cool. 4 minutes, let's go. Next on the agenda is Sid with the topic of the Cybermen's new teeth plan. Order! I will not have my parliament fall into anarchy. Sid, if you say your piece, we can move on.
Hello? I'm Sid.
Order! I will have order! Someone gets him out. Continue, Sid.
As you all well know, I'm looking for approval to allow this parliament to the approval of this parliament for the to help the Cybermen set up a new dental plan. I know, before you start. But think about this for a second. They came to us. We all know the Cybermen are a little thick, but they came to us. The Censorites have their own parliament that has hundreds of species. It's way bigger than ours. and yet the Cybermen came to us. We can't pass on this fairly silly offer, because if we want to make a real change, we need other species to see and offer us a hand to let us help them. Or really, what is this parliament for? Thank you, Mr. Speaker. That is all.
Thank you, Sid. Not bad, Sid.
Permission to counter, Mr. Speaker.
Granted.
Sid is, if you don't mind, Sid is a Dalek. Trev is a Dalek. Everyone here is a Dalek. You went to school with Daleks. Your gene clones, if you have them, will go to school with Daleks, learning the Dalek ways. Same as me, same as you. Unless Sid had his way, Sid would have your gene clones holding men hands with the Cybermen. Probably quartz too. I'm not saying we shouldn't help out other races, but if we do, it must be with foreign aid. Because what Sid is proposing, well, not a bad thing now, is a slippery slope. They are not us. Never forget that. And it only takes one bad Cyberman to delete someone you care about.
That is absurd and racist.
Dalek, Sid, sit down and simply withdraw that word. A simple withdrawal will suffice.
I will not. It's the truth. When has a Cyberman ever deleted a Dalek? It's lies. It's propaganda. It's crafted to create fear and hatred.
Dalek, Sid, sit down.
It's okay, Mr. Speaker. I'm sure he isn't accusing a member of Parliament of being racist.
I most certainly...
Sid, leave it. Not now. Later.
I withdraw the word, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Sid. As you can see, Sid is very passionate about this. With an outburst like that, I question his mental state.
Order, withdraw.
Yes. I withdraw the word.
Well, I don't think we can get that deal. I just don't get people like Nova. If someone of any race or culture asks for help and you have the power to help them, then you have a moral obligation to do so. Or at least that's how I believe it should be. If there are any Daleks out there like Nova, then I will never stop. Come on, Trev. I have a Dalek on the phone who says he was born a Zygon. Let's go.